Mountaineer Area Rescue Group was having a search and rescue canine training after dark last night, and we coordinated that with some Mavic 3 thermal drone nighttime practice as an overwatch to their canine training. We are in the parking lot at the old archery field up near Chestnut Ridge Park, and we see the team getting ready to deploy down to the search area, which is Harris Lake, about 12 to 1,300 feet down over the hill from where we are now. We had looked on a map at our position within SAR Topo and saw that Harris Lake was approximately 270-degree bearing from our current location, and so I decided to yaw the aircraft to 270 degrees and then fly straight cross country, so to speak, to that area. We're at 160 feet above ground level, or AGL. You can see the vehicles leaving the parking lot to go to the search area. And we're going to fly straight line distance to that area. I've cut out some of the footage to make this easier to watch. We're still on a bearing of 270 at 159 feet AGL. You can see the shelter in view and the lake in red, which is nice and warm water. With the tent palette, the warmer objects show up red and the cooler objects are gray shaded down to a black. We had a little signal interference because the drone was down below tree line and we could still see the strobe through the trees, but I went up in altitude a bit to hopefully help with that. We're at 205 feet. There's the parking lot with the two cars, and at the very bottom of the screen you'll see people about to deploy out of the car. It's a gravel parking lot, so it lights up pretty well, even though this flight is at 10 o'clock at night and it's totally dark and there are no lights in the park or the park shelter. Here you can see one of our team members in the bottom left, actually multiple members. However, we soon lose them as they go under the canopy. We're 1,195 feet from where we launched the drone. And at this point, we've pretty much lost our team under the canopy. We had tried to watch when they crossed the dam, but missed them, but picked them up again as they're coming back on the right side of the lake. Looks like the dog is in the lead. And we see them entering the shelter area.